Good day everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how to test the MFDC function. So you go to call, then show, and press test call. After, you enter the MMSI of the radio station you want to test. So today we're gonna use Rogaland Radio in Norway. Okay, make sure that you enter the right MMSI, and then you press OK and choose normally 2187.5 kilohertz. Then press the send button to initiate the test. So then we just have to wait for their acknowledgement, normally for a few seconds or a minute or so. There you have it. They acknowledge our test call. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a good watch.